Today we're going to show you how I wash my wheels. I think it's probably one of the most important things on car. It makes the car stand out if your wheels are fucking on point. So, iron out first, auto finesse. Might top it up with some wheel cleaner if it's needed. Super resin polish for a base, and I use some high temperature paste wax. And we've got a little brush, detailing brush thing. I've got one of these because on mine, when I've painted the calipers, this will get between there, and you know, they're hard to do. If you have multi-sport wheels, you know. And then we've got a rye, we've got a sponge, a couple of pads for putting the polish and thingy on, just a bucket of water. Don't need to use a jet wash, so just a regular hose pipe. Okay, so I'll set you up now and we'll get started. Right, first, iron out. And the best way to do this is just put it on dry. Because if you do it with water first, you know, it's diluting your chemical. So obviously, but you just can't leave it on there. What I normally do is do sort of 2 wheels at once. So yeah, I'll do that. So just spray it on. Make sure you get, like, I do all the inside as well. Okay, and it starts turning purple. Right, I'll just quickly do back wheel as well. Right, that's the, so what this does, this sort of eats through the sort of initial sort of phase of brake dust, and you know, gets the majority of it off for you. So let's bring you in now. You see it all turning purple. So yeah, that's like reacting with all brake dust and like general shit that's on there. So yeah, we leave that for like a couple of minutes. Rinse it all off, and then soap up all the wheel and get scrubbing. So I'll come back to you once I'm rinsing off. Right, so this is something with the iron out, you shouldn't have to do it sort of every time you wash your car. I just sort of do this sort of stage once a month or something.
Right, so now what I like to do is we go in with the wheel cleaner. And then we get the sponge and go on.
Right, when you've fingered all your wheel, just a quick go over again with sponge. And then we move on to the tyre then. So I get some more of the wheel cleaner. Spray that around the outside. Get the little brush thing. Give it a little scrub. Sponge again. Right, and then rinse it off, and then that's a wheel done. And I'll repeat that on all four. And then we snow foam all the car wheels, jet wash everything off, and wash all the car again, right? And I'll come back to you after I've finished all that.
1 hour later.
Wow, it is hot. Took my jumper off now. Sun's blazing, man. So, right, all car's been washed now. I've dried it off, and stickers. So we need to dry all the water off the wheels now, and then we can get to polishing. So. Yeah, that's just right. So yeah, that's just one coat on. So yeah, super resin, easy to use. So yeah, we do that on all four. What I do the tyres in the shed. Right. So yeah, just leave it as you do on to normal paintwork. Wait till it ages and then buff it off. I've finished all four wheels now. I'm just going to quickly buff it all off, and then I'll introduce you to the wax. Right, this is the wax that I've got. I've had this for quite a while, quite a number of years, and the wax is still good. If it dries up you can just put a bit of water in with it, mix it in, and it's good. So it's high temp wax. You can use it on paint, you know, your bodywork as well. So yeah, you can use it on anything, but I just use it on wheels because obviously we got brake discs. Obviously generates heat, so better with some high temp stuff. So wheels are nice and shiny after all the polish now. Yeah, just whack this wax on as you normally do on your thing, wax it off, and that's it. So thanks for watching. See you in a bit.